Hello everyone. Something very interesting is happening in PR right now. You pitched journalists, they wrote the story, the audience read it. Simple, right? But today it's something different. A founder can post a single video, a creator can publish one thread, a niche expert can upload a short explainer, and suddenly thousands, sometimes millions of people see it. There is no newsroom, no editor, no journalist approval. So the question is a PR still controlled by media outlets or are creators becoming the new gatekeepers? Today, we are talking about the rise of creator led PR and why it's quietly changing the entire industry. Let's first understand what creator led PR actually means. When people hear creator, they usually think of influencers, but creator led PR is bigger than that. It's when individual voices become a distribution channel. You can think about this way: a tech founder explaining AI trends on LinkedIn, a marketing expert breaking down campaigns on YouTube, a finance analyst posting sharp commentary on X or Twitter. These people are not traditional journalists, but they are doing something very similar. They are explaining industries, analyzing trends, um, influencing conversations, and audiences are paying attention. In many cases, more attention than traditional media articles. But why is this shift happening? There are three big forces driving this change. First, trust. Audiences increasingly trust individual voices more than corporate messaging. People follow people. The concept is pretty simple, not press releases. Second is speed. A creator can react to industry news within minutes. Traditional media often takes hours, sometimes days. Third is personality. Creators bring perspective, opinion, energy. A news article might tell you what happened, but a creator will tell you why it matters. And that difference is powerful. What this means for PR, this entire shift that we are talking about, let's understand this way. This shift is forcing PR professionals to rethink something very fundamental. For years, PR strategy looked like this, which is they people identify journalists, pitch them stories, wait for coverage. But now creators are part of the media ecosystem. Some newsletters have audiences larger than publications. Some YouTube channels influence entire industries, which and also some LinkedIn creators are there who are shaping how executives think, which means PR is no longer just about newsrooms. It's about attention hubs. Anywhere people gather to understand an industry, PR opportunities exist, and that's what creators are bringing to the table. Smart brands are already adapting. The smartest companies aren't ignoring the shift, they are embracing it. Instead of focusing only on traditional press, they are also collaborating with creators who already have trust in their niche. For example, a cybersecurity startup might work with a respected tech analyst on YouTube. A marketing platform might appear in a creator's industry breakdown video. A fintech founder might join a finance creator's podcast. Notice something really important here, that these collaborations feel less like advertising and more like conversation. That's why audiences respond differently. The hidden advantage of creator led PR is that this approach is very powerful and it's very effective because a news article might spike attention for, let's say, a day, but YouTube videos keep generating views. Podcast episodes keep circulating. LinkedIn posts get rediscovered. That means creator led PR can create ongoing visibility, not just a short term media moment. But it's not a replacement. Now, here's the important part, that creator led PR doesn't replace traditional media. It actually complements it. Traditional media still brings institutional credibility, authority signals, industry recognition, but creative media brings speed, personality, direct audience connection. The smartest PR strategies combine both, and that's something that we really need to adapt right now. So the real opportunity is, instead of asking which journalist should we pitch, you need to start asking, where do our industry conversations actually happen? Sometimes that answer is a publication. Sometimes it can be a newsletter. Sometimes it can be a creator. Sometimes it can be a YouTube channel with highly engaging niche audience. So PR is no longer just about media outlets. It's more about influence networks. The PR world is expanding. Journalists are still important, but they are no longer the only voices shaping industry narratives. Creators are becoming analysts, commentators, explainers, and sometimes the fastest way to get attention isn't through a newsroom, it's through someone who already has the audience listening. And the brands that understand this shift early won't just follow the conversation, they will help shape it. So now is the high time you decide where you position your brand and yourself as an expert. As usual, if you have any doubts or any questions, you can write it in the comments box down below and let me know what you think of creator led PR campaign that's trending very fast and is going to take over PR, the traditional PR approach, very soon. And I'll see you in the next one.